Riley. He's our host attorney. He's with the law firm of Farris, Riley & Pitt, and he's here to discuss a sad and disturbing topic of elder abuse. And that's something we don't want to talk about, but we need to.
Yeah, I was reading earlier, statistics show that every day, 10,000 Americans are turning 65, okay? So what happens to these people as they get older? Well, eventually they're going to have to have care.
Sure.
They're going to have to go into nursing homes, likely, unless their children have room for them. But we are seeing, with that goes problems with elder abuse, that being in some nursing homes. Now, that's not to say that all nursing homes are bad. In fact, there are some very good nursing homes out there. A lot of times what happens is because of funding, those nursing homes are understaffed. And so you have problems with physical and emotional abuse. And some of those problems that we've seen, you see it all the time. Failure to properly turn or rotate a bedridden patient. That leads to bed sores. Those can be life-threatening illnesses, those bed sores. There can be verbal abuse. There can be a failure to provide nutrition. And we see that from time to time when, as patients get older, they just don't get the type of nutrition that they need, and if it's not forced down their throat almost, they just won't take it. So it really, we see that, and that does fall into abuse category. And also failure to provide proper fall prevention. That has to do with things like bed rails, not putting up the bed rails when somebody is bedridden, or if they can get up but they haven't really reached the stage of being bedridden, they can get up on their own, but they're really too feeble to do it. They'll want to get up and go to the bathroom or go turn on the TV or something like that. Yeah. And the next thing you know, you've got a fall, you've got a subdural hematoma, and that is going to cause a lot of problems.
What do the loved ones that are watching this, what do the loved ones that are caring for their elderly parents or whoever, what do they need to do?
Well, I think they need to a lot of times you don't have choices about where to go, place a loved one,
right.
because you hear all these stories about people who are waiting for a bed, and we see a lot of that, and I think we're going to see more of it. But what they should do is they should make sure that they do their research, look and see how many complaints are out there. I'm talking about legal lawsuits. You can call an attorney; they can look those up for you. You can get to know the staff. That's one thing that I see a lot of. Take them cookies and be there often.
Yeah.
Okay, and show up at different times.
Yeah.
Yeah. If you just go at the same time, every Thursday.
You're sort of expected. Yeah.
Then you can get yourself in trouble, or actually, yeah. But I would just be proactive about it, and don't just assume that every nursing home has the same standard, because frankly they don't. There are good nursing homes that are well staffed, and there are also some that aren't, and just do your research.
Yeah, all right, good information. If you'd like to find out just a little bit more, go to frplegal.com. You can also go to myfoxal.com and click on the Law Call tab.